TU Dublin is an accredited university. We have just been recently formed. We were the first Irish technological university. We're an amalgamation of Blanchetown IT, Tala IT, as well as Dublin Institute of Technology.
Geospatial surveying is all about collecting spatial data or location-based data and making decisions which are based on evidence about that data. There's a lot of reasons for geospatial surveying. It's a really fast-moving industry, and if you're interested in anything to do with environmental issues, climate issues, technology changes, we're one of those industries that impact that. We're a disruptor technology. We'd be at the forefront of using high-end equipment to capture information that can make changes for society.
The great thing about this profession, and along with the construction industry, is data is becoming the new oil. So what I mean by that is becoming the new currency. And by understanding the geospatial technologies and surveying, you are going to be the people that are going to be creating that oil, creating that data. The idea of coming to us is you understand how to generate it, how to measure it, how to manage it, how to model it, and then how to bring that forward in order to make yourself as valuable to future employers as you possibly can.
Students, when they're deciding what course to take, they really should look at what they're really deeply interested in. So students who are interested in geography, interested in technical drawing, design, communication, graphics, science, who are interested in the environment would really benefit from looking into the geospatial surveying course.
This is a program where you have a small group of students together, where you have a great atmosphere. This is a growing area as well in terms of job opportunities, and all our students have kept into this area of the industry.
We have a 100% employment record, and our students work in many different industries. The student that does well in geospatial surveying is a student that likes a mix of activities, first of all, and is more of a kinetic learner, somebody who likes learning by doing.
What I like most about geospatial surveying is the technology we have access to. We use laser scanners, total stations, drones, and to get the skills to learn how to use this is one of my favourite aspects of the course.
I think the best thing about studying geospatial surveying in TU Dublin was actually the opportunities that it's given me. Also the work placement and finding the right one for you really helped.
For me, it led to my current career where I am at the moment. When I finished studying GIS for my Masters, I went straight into a GIS consulting role at Esri Ireland, and I've since developed into a senior consultant role.
We've got a lot of practicals, lab works, assignments, so a lot of thinking and a lot of writing too.
I like being able to use the equipment hands-on. I like not being confined to just a piece of paper or a computer all day. I like going out and collecting the data myself.
One big thing for me is the different clubs and societies. I joined a lot and made multiple friends through that. Everything you learn about in the course you get to use, you get to put into action, which is obviously going to be useful then when you go into a career using the equipment.
I was coming from a country with a huge population, and I was looking for a place where I can get knowledge without having that huge population in the class. I love the university and I've gained so much from this course.